Hey guys, in this video, I'm proudly to present to you the all-new 2015 Jaguar F-Type R-Coupe. But before I begin, I would like to give a big shout out and thanks to Peretti Jaguar Land Rover of Baton Rouge, Louisiana, for giving us the permission to come out and film the stunning all-new 2015 Jaguar F-Type R-Coupe. If any of you guys are looking for a Jaguar, Land Rover, Range Rover brands, near or far, please come down and check out their brand new dealer showroom located at 13934 Airline Highway, Baton Rouge, Louisiana 70817. They offer a wide range of inventory including new and used brands vehicle. The 2015 Jaguar F-Type R is intensity. It provides more and delivers the ultimate expression of the F-Type, the most powerful, the most dynamically capable, the most thrilling vehicle. Powerful, agile, and distinctive, the F-Type is a true Jaguar sports car engineered for high performance and responsive handling. The latest in a distinguished bloodline of cars, supercharged engine, lightweight aluminum body construction, and advanced driving technologies deliver an experience that is intuitive, instinctive, and alive. The all-new F-Type has a lightweight aluminum body structure with high torsional rigidity, making it the ideal platform for a sports car. This strong, rigid structure provides an inherently stable platform for precise, agile handling and is the perfect complement to the high-performance engine range. The result is exceptional power-to-weight and torque-to-weight ratio. The real world measure its sports car performance. The F-Type roars right from its heart. Its sport exhaust growls powerfully from startup, building to a race car inspired crescendo. An active sport exhaust uses active bypass valve to allow exhaust gases to exit more directly for a deep, dramatic sound. A switchable active exhaust for manual control of the system is standard on the R model. The F-Type uses quick-shift ZF automatic transmission that is both lightning fast and superbly refined. Using 8 closely spaced gears, the transmission keeps the engine in its most effective operating range to deliver optimum power and torque at all speeds. A selectable dynamic mode adds adrenaline to your drive by modifying the throttle response and shift programming to further emphasize the car's sporting nature. Sounds exciting, isn't it? This particular model comes with the Vision package, which include the adaptive and intelligent front lighting headlamps with LED daytime running lamps. Looks really nice. The Vision package adds a number of visibility and driver assist features to the F-Type. It includes adaptive front lighting, intelligent high beams, front sensors and rear parking camera, combined with a reverse park camera, reverse traffic detection, and a blind spot monitoring system. Adds to that the very unique and aerodynamic front bumper. Looks really nice. And the specific F-Type R-Coupe grille. High-intensity retractable headlight washer are also built into the front bumper. There is the hood air extractor for air to pass through. At the same time, it makes the F-Type looks very aggressive and stands out compared to other sports cars. This particular model comes standard with the 20-inch Gyrodine silver alloy wheels with Pirelli tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated disc brake with Jaguar Super Performance braking system with red painted brake calipers for faster stopping, as well as Jaguar lettering painted on the brake calipers. Here's the look at the fender. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. Now, this model also comes equipped with the optional panoramic glass roof, which gives the passenger a very open feel while driving. Beautiful. Alright, the rear also comes with 20-inch wheel with Pirelli tires, as well as the internally ventilated disc brake and the red painted brake calipers. Alright, to the back, you see the beautiful LED tail lamps, LED brake lamps, and LED turn signal lamp. Looks really nice. And here's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. There you go. At the bottom is the aggressive black rear diffuser that framed the quad round chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. The all-new F-Type R-Coupe feature a power tailgate. For ease of access and added convenience, the tailgate can be opened or closed at the touch of a button with the optional power function. Alright, here you have your roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Alright, here I have the remote control. Looks and feel really nice. Here you have the lock, unlock, light, trunk open, and panic buttons. Alright, let's open it up and check out the interior. Alright, once you hit the unlock button on the remote control, the door handle will automatically retract so you could open the door. And once it is locked, it will blend evenly to the body of the car. Okay, the exterior color is known as Polaris White, featuring black and red leather interior seat with red contrast stitching on it, black on the dash as well as door panel, and red contrast stitching throughout the car. Looks really nice. Also comes with the red seat belt. Alright, let's get into the car, start it up, and see how it sounds. Alright, let's pop the hood and see what it have to offer. The 2015 F-Type R-Coupe features a 5-liter V8 supercharged engine, 8-speed quick-shift transmission, pushing out 550 horsepower at 6,500 RPM, and 502 pound-feet of torque at 2,500 to 5,500 RPM. Can hit from 0 to 60 in a fast 4 seconds. That's even faster than the Audi R8. Fuel tanks hold approximately 18.5 gallons of fuel. EPA estimated fuel economy is 16 city, 23 highway, and 18 combined. Top track speed is electronically limited at 186 miles per hour in the US. Very impressive. Alright, let's shut it down. And now let's turn on the engine and listen to the exhaust sound. Alright, here's the look to the driver's side door panel. Looks really nice. Beautiful red contrast stitching. Here you have the 3-position memory setting, the lock and unlock buttons, Meridian surround sound system, very nice, and both windows are fully automatic. Here's the Jaguar aluminum door sill, and the aluminum pedals. And a closer look at the performance sport seats. Black and red in the middle with red contrast stitching. Looks really nice. With Type R embossed on the headrest. Both front seats feature 14-way power adjustable front seats, including 4-way power lumbar support. And you can adjust the seat via the button on the door panel. And both seats does offer heated options. Alright, let's take a look at the steering wheel. The 3-spoke flat bottom design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather. Feels really nice. With the Type R logo at the bottom. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel while driving. Behind the center wheel is the paddle shifter, just in case you want to put it in manual mode for a better performance ride. And here you have the control to your windshield wiper blades. Over here you have your light controlled and the turn signal light controlled. The steering wheel also features electronic tilt and telescopic steering column. Here you have the driver's side air vent, fog light controlled, trunk release, and the instrument lighting controlled. Here's a closer look at the dash with red contrast stitching all around. Carbon fiber trims with Type R logo on it. The new F-Type R-Coupe comes standard with Meridian 770 watt audio system, 12 speaker, 16 channel Class D DSP amplifier, Odyssey multi-EQ audio equalization, dynamic volume controlled 7.1 surround sound system, Meridian tri-field technology. Alright, here's the gearbox. It features an 8-speed quick-shift ZF transmission with 8 closely spaced gear ratio, keeping the engine in its most effective operating range. The F-Type quick-shift automatic transmission is both fast and smooth. The gearbox control system is intelligent and adaptive. It monitors the driving situation, combined with driver demands, and responds to provide a truly dynamic experience. Intelligent and adaptive software automatically modifies shift strategy, ensuring the right gear is selected for every situation. The transmission can be controlled manually with the standard shift paddle mounted behind the spoke of the steering wheel. The new F-Type interior features driver-focused cockpit architecture, simple control and clear instrumentation. The F-Type interior conveys a combination of functional ergonomics and sporting style. It is designed to put the driver first, and with a wide choice of interior colors and texture, present an excellent opportunity for individual expressions. Alright, here you have your traction control off, park and brake, dual cup holder for passenger and driver, center storage compartment with USB auxiliary and 12-volt power outlet. Alright, press that button to open the glove box. And here is another look at the door panels. Alright, here's the look to the back. And in the middle between the driver and the passenger seat, we have a little storage compartment right there. And here's the look to the panoramic glass roof with the sunshade. Here you have your light and universal garage door opener. Here's your sun visor. Alright, now let's take a look at the trunk. One touch, open, close, power liftgate.
Yeah.
The all-new F-Type Coupe model offers the usability and practicality of a versatile trunk space area with a capacity of up to 11.65 cubic feet of cargo space. It is large enough to accommodate a full set of luggage for ease of access and added convenience. The tailgate can be opened or closed at a touch of a button with the optional power functions. Gas cover is located on the passenger side. Just push in to open, and it is required premium unleaded fuel only. The interior cockpit of the F-Type R-Coupe, featuring two large analog dials, essential in the sports car. Instruments are simple, clear, and easy to read. The three-spoke steering wheel incorporate key function for ease of control. Gear selector paddles, mounted behind the spoke, let you select gears sequentially with your fingertips without taking your hands off the wheel. The console-mounted Jaguar Sport Shift Selector offers full auto mode plus a sport mode, which allow manual operation for even greater driver involvement. Sequential gear selection is provided by tipping the lever forward to shift down a ratio and pulling it back to shift up a gear. The F-Type has an 8-inch color touchscreen that provides intuitive control of many features, including navigation, infotainment, and on-vehicle equipped with the optional performance pack, the Dynamic Eye system. Overall, the new F-Type R-Coupe is a luxury super sports car that offers luxurious features inside out, and most importantly of all, power. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 F-Type R-Coupe. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know what you guys think about the new Jaguar F-Type R-Coupe. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. I'll see you guys next time.